Question 15. Okay. We know at time 0, x 0 equals 0, y 0, 0, v equals 50. This is x dot, y dot, and this is 50, and this is alpha. So x dot 0, 50 sin, cos alpha, y dot at time 0, 50 sine alpha. And they've told us that at a point P, we get to a point where we're 100 meters long, and 25 meters up. Okay, we're going to do the normal. This is where we always start. I always do that. Okay, we know x dot 0 still going to be C1, but it's 50 cos alpha, which means x dot t is 50 cos alpha Okay. Now let's find the displacement vectors. Okay. We know at some time t, at point P, we know x at that t equals 50 times C3. X at that point t is 100. I'm going to get rid of these p's. That's just confusing me. And I know y at that point P, same t, equals 25. Is that going to help me though? And at that point P, you know what? I'm an actual idiot. I should have subbed in 0 first. Why did I break up the normal method? So yt is just negative 5t squared plus 50t sine alpha. Okay. So t is 100 over 50 cos alpha, so t is 2 over cos alpha. And then I'm going to sub that in, so I've got minus 5 times 2 over cos alpha squared plus 50 times 2 over cos alpha times sine alpha equals 25, and now it's very similar to the questions we've had above. So we've got minus 20 over cos squared alpha plus 100 tan alpha equals 25. Wait, what have I done? I'm going to have to use sec, aren't I? Damn. So that's minus 20 sec squared alpha plus 100 tan alpha equals 25. Divide everything by negative 5. 4 sec squared alpha. Take 20 tan alpha equals negative 5, so plus 5 equals 0. Okay. And I also know because I remember things like this and didn't just look it up. Sec squared theta is tan squared theta plus 1. So I'm going to sub that in. I've got 4 lots of tan squared alpha plus 1. Take 20 tan alpha plus 5 equals 0. So I've got 4 tan squared alpha. Take 20 tan alpha plus 4 times 9. So tan alpha equals quadratic formula 20 plus minus the square root 20 squared, take 4 times 4 times 9 all over 2 times 4, so tan alpha equals 20 plus minus root 256 over 8. Root 256 is 16, isn't it? 20 plus minus 16 over 8. So we've got 9 over 2 and a half. So alpha equals arctan these. So we could have taken off at either of those angles and had this work. I think this is a poorly written question.